brings you an in-depth look at the 2025 Honda CR-V, a compact SUV that has earned a reputation for blending style, efficiency, and advanced features. The CR-V is one of Honda's most popular models, and the 2025 version only builds on its legacy. Honda has made sure that the CR-V maintains its reputation for being practical while also keeping up with modern technological trends. For 2025, the CR-V gets a sleek redesign with a more aggressive front grille, sharp body lines, and a refined overall look. The vehicle has a bolder presence on the road, attracting attention with its modern, dynamic appearance. It's clear that Honda has focused on offering an SUV that fits well in both urban and suburban environments, thanks to its compact size and stylish exterior. Whether you're navigating crowded city streets or cruising down the highway, the 2025 CR-V offers the perfect combination of size, comfort, and style. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda CR-V offers a range of powertrains to suit various driving preferences. The standard model comes with a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder engine that provides a good balance of power and fuel efficiency. This engine produces a solid amount of horsepower while maintaining excellent fuel economy, making it an ideal choice for daily commuting. For those who want even better fuel efficiency, the CR-V Hybrid continues to be available for 2025. The hybrid version combines a 2.0-liter engine with an electric motor to deliver impressive efficiency while still providing enough power for highway driving. One of the standout features of the 2025 CR-V is its interior. Honda has significantly upgraded the cabin with premium materials, ensuring that both the driver and passengers enjoy a comfortable ride. The seats are spacious and supportive, making long trips more enjoyable, and there is ample room for cargo. Honda has also focused on improving the tech offerings in the CR-V, equipping the vehicle with a large touchscreen infotainment system, smartphone connectivity, and available navigation features. The dashboard is clean and modern, with intuitive controls that make it easy to access all the vehicle's functions without feeling overwhelmed. Safety is another area where Honda excels with the CR-V. The 2025 model comes with Honda Sensing, a suite of advanced safety features designed to keep you and your passengers safe on the road. Standard safety features include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and collision mitigation braking. These features work together to create a driving experience that's not only safer but also more confident, especially on long trips or in heavy traffic. For those looking for a more luxurious experience, the 2025 CR-V is available in higher trims that add premium features like leather upholstery, a panoramic sunroof, and a larger touchscreen. The higher trims also offer more advanced tech options, such as a premium sound system, a wireless charging pad, and additional driver assistance technologies. Whether you opt for the base model or the higher-end trim, the CR-V offers a well-rounded and satisfying driving experience. When it comes to driving dynamics, the 2025 Honda CR-V impresses with its smooth ride quality and responsive handling. The suspension has been tuned to provide a balance of comfort and sportiness, so whether you're driving through tight corners or cruising on the highway, the CR-V remains composed. The steering is light and precise, making the vehicle easy to maneuver in both city traffic and parking lots. The turbocharged engine provides enough power for most driving situations, while the hybrid option offers excellent fuel efficiency for those who prioritize eco-friendliness. The 2025 Honda CR-V also continues to offer excellent value, with a pricing structure that makes it competitive in the compact SUV segment. Honda has worked to keep the CR-V's pricing reasonable while still providing a comprehensive list of standard features. Whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver, a family-friendly SUV, or a vehicle with excellent fuel efficiency, the 2025 CR-V offers something for everyone. The hybrid model, in particular, is worth noting, as it brings the best of both worlds. It combines the efficiency of an electric motor with the range of a gas-powered engine, making it an excellent choice for eco-conscious buyers who don't want to sacrifice performance. The hybrid's powertrain is smooth and responsive, with a seamless transition between the electric motor and the gasoline engine. Plus, the CR-V Hybrid still provides plenty of room for passengers and cargo, making it a practical choice for those looking to reduce their carbon footprint without giving up versatility. Honda has also focused on enhancing the driving experience with a suite of connected services that make owning a CR-V even more convenient. With the Honda Link app, you can remotely start your vehicle, check its status, and even locate it in a crowded parking lot. The CR-V also features Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, so you can easily connect your smartphone to the infotainment system. This integration allows you to make calls, send texts, and access your favorite apps while keeping your hands on the wheel and your eyes on the road. Overall, the 2025 Honda CR-V is a well-rounded and reliable option for anyone in the market for a compact SUV. With its sleek new design, upgraded interior, and impressive list of features, it's a great choice for those who want a vehicle that offers a mix of style, practicality, and advanced technology. The CR-V continues to deliver on its promise of providing a comfortable and safe driving experience, and with the addition of a hybrid powertrain, it now offers an even more environmentally friendly option. If you're looking for an SUV that offers great fuel efficiency, ample space, modern features, and an overall smooth driving experience, the 2025 Honda CR-V is worth considering. From its advanced safety features to its impressive tech offerings, the CR-V proves that it's not just about getting from point A to point B, it's about doing so in a way that's comfortable, enjoyable, and safe. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest car reviews, make sure to subscribe to Car Hub. We bring you the latest information on vehicles, features, and all things automotive, so don't miss out on future updates.